hosted our 5th annual Multi-Lingual Duwamish River boat tour in partnership with community leaders, agency, and industry partners in order to raise awareness about maritime operations and economic development opportunities. The purpose of this event is to celebrate the rich cultural diversity of the Duwamish communities that live along the Duwamish River. While we were on the tour, we had an opportunity to highlight various port-owned locations, port parks, and facilities along the Duwamish River. It's important to have this event because a lot of our near port communities are multilingual and very diverse, and so it's important for us to have opportunities that are welcoming and inclusive and invite our community partners into the work that we're doing.
Is that too much? That's not challenge.
Fish are marked with a tiny little microchip. Bring to the port what the community needs and how they can feel supported.
It's important for us to host this event annually to highlight port operations and promote habitat restoration sites along the river that benefit the communities that live alongside them.